This is your next cookie obsession. Modern Filipino Polvorons combine traditional Filipino shortbread with contemporary flavors. This crumbly, indulgent cookie is crafted from toasted flour, butter, and powdered milk. Today we'll teach you how to make the base Polvoron dough. We'll transform it into yummy flavors like Fruity Pebbles, strawberry shortcake, and Biscoff. This silicone mold allows us to make many polvorons at once. Follow our recipe linked below to make the 3 flavors mentioned or have fun with your own flavors. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Toast the flour on a pan at medium-low heat, stirring constantly until it turns a light tan color. We like our flavor a little more nutty, so we toasted it an extra couple minutes to a deeper shade of tan. While the toasted flour is cooling, prep the add-ins. We're gonna crush the Biscoff cookies, vanilla Oreos, and dried strawberries down to small pieces. The Fruity Pebbles cereal is already small, so we don't have to crush them. Sift the toasted flour, then combine it with white sugar, powdered whole milk, and salt. Mix in the melted butter. The dough will appear very crumbly. Fold in any additional flavor ingredients. Repeat for each batch of cookie dough. Fill the silicone molds, making sure to press down to compact each piece. You can use your fingers, a spoon, or even a flat side of a bottle cap. For an aesthetic display, place a piece of the filling on the bottom of the mold before adding the dough. Cover and place the mold in the freezer for 30 minutes to set. Remove polvorons from the molds. Before serving, leave them on the counter to allow to warm up to room temperature. Thanks for watching. Read the full recipe on itsforkandspoon.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.